Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing Squarebird. So I've never played a game that is not a part of Roblox. So this is going to be my first time doing this. So the whole thing is just about not trying to get hit by anything. See, I just died right there. My best score was 1,107. In this video, we're going to try and break that score. No matter how long it takes us. Dang it, guys. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop a brand new video. What I really like about this game do you guys see that? Is someone hacking my phone? I'm not even touching anything, guys. I promise you I wasn't touching anything, guys. What I like about this game is that it teaches you to think fast. And that is something I am bad at doing. Thinking fast. When someone says, think fast, I'm like, oh, what do you mean? Guys, it's happening again. I never did this. Didn't even touch anything and that happens. Okay, guys, this time I'm going to try 2 hands for this one. 2 fingers, actually. Okay, you only need 1 finger for this. Okay, guys, I'm doing good. Ooh, that was a close one. We did it, guys! The best part about this is that if you get 1 score in a game, it continues your score in the next game. Come on, what's going on, guys? Okay. We're doing good. Dang it, guys, I died. I didn't mean to do that. I love this blaster. It destroys anything that's in front of my way. But it doesn't last for that long. Ooh, guys. 810. Ooh, do you guys think I'm gonna make it? Do you guys think that? I'm not even pressing the... I have to watch this ad, guys. Sorry. It won't take that long. Promise. It won't let me X out. Okay. No, guys! Okay. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. No, guys! Why does it keep taking me to ads? I don't even... This is a little Okay, let's get back to the video. Okay, this time, I will not die. Okay. I did it this time. Okay, guys, we gotta do well for this one. No, guys! I was at 1,030. Okay, guys, we have to do this time. I know we got it. Let's go, guys. We got this. We can't die. We can't die. That was close, guys. No! Okay, guys, we have to do it this time. Okay, guys, we're doing good. I'm not gonna jinx this anymore. And I jinxed us. Okay. I jinxed us again. Okay, guys. I am a noob. I am trash. I am a bot. Okay, we gotta do this time. Okay. Yes, guys. We finally passed that level. Okay, later. Okay. Guys, how did I die? Okay, we're doing good. Wait, how did I die? If you guys are enjoying the video, don't forget to hit that like button. It's always there if you need it. It's always on your side. That's why it's blue. To represent America, free country. Dang it. Guys. Okay, guys, we're doing bad. Okay, we're doing good. I'm at 1023. Guys, I think we can do it. Okay. We got this, guys. Guys, we beat the score. Let's look. Guys, we beat the score! Looks like that's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget and hit that little bell so you can get notified whenever I drop a brand new video. And I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.